Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Brain. My name is Sam, and in this video, I will show you how to take a long screenshot of WhatsApp chat on iPhone. First, open your App Store on your iPhone. Since the App Store is open, tap on the search bar at the bottom. Type in Zeta Stitch and press the search button. Look for the Zeta Stitch app in the search results. Tap on the app, then tap on the Get button to download and install it on your iPhone. After the installation is complete, open the Zeta Stitch app. When you open the app for the first time, it will ask for permission to access your photos. Tap on Allow Access to all photos to grant the necessary permissions. In the app, you can tap or slide to select the photos you want to stitch together. This step is optional. If you want to use existing photos to create a long screenshot, in the app, you might see a guide about how to use it. This guide is called Scroll Show. You can either read through the guide for more information or you can skip it. Now swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the control center. Press and hold the screen recording button. In this menu, scroll down and tap on the Zeta Scroll Shot option to select it. Next, open the WhatsApp app on your iPhone. Go to the conversation or chat you want to take a long screenshot of. Start scrolling through the chat to capture all the parts you want to include in your screenshot. When you have finished scrolling through the chat, go back to the control center. Tap the red bar to stop the recording. Open the Zeta Stitch app again. You will see the recorded screen capture there. You can trim and adjust the size of the screenshot to your liking. Once you are satisfied, save the long screenshot to your photos. And that is it. You have successfully taken a long screenshot of a WhatsApp chat on your iPhone using the Zeta Stitch app. That is it. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day.